Hi, my name is Chris Rupp, and this is Rhythm for Guitar. When you're playing music, there's only two things that you're doing. Those two things are playing notes and applying rhythm to those notes. Whether you're playing rhythm guitar or playing lead guitar, rhythm is going to play a huge role in how good you sound as a guitar player. By that logic, rhythm is 50% of what you're doing when you're playing music. Of course, there are many different aspects to playing music. I just like to use that as an example with my students to really emphasize the importance of rhythm in music. Since I believe so strongly in the importance of rhythm, I decided to create an online guitar course just for rhythm guitar. The more than 50 rhythms in this course are the ones that I use with my private students every day. They're designed to take you from an absolute beginner through late intermediate. Here's an example of what the lessons will look like. For rhythm number 3, we're going to introduce a new rhythm figure. We're going to do kind of the opposite of what we were working on. It's going to be an 8th note followed by 2/16. This is my favorite rhythm in the world. Whenever I go to strum, just if I don't have any idea how to strum a rhythm, I always kind of start with this first measure here and just go. It's kind of my go-to rhythm pattern. If you feel you need help understanding how to play rhythm guitar, or you just want to improve your guitar skills, I think this course is really going to help you. I look forward to seeing you inside the course. Now let's play some rhythm guitar.